Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're diving into a fascinating problem that many developers might encounter during continuous integration. So, here's the problem we're facing. I've noticed a discrepancy in the results when running a simple code snippet that calculates the sign of a specific value on two different platforms. One platform gives me a value ending in 27544, while the other ends in 38646. This small difference might seem insignificant, but it can accumulate and cause issues, especially in tight loops. Now let's delve into what factors could be causing this variance. Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem. Differences in the output of the sin function are typically due to variations in the implementation of the sin function in the standard C library, also known as lib. The discrepancies you're seeing are likely a result of these different implementations. Ideally, the sin function should return the mathematically correct value rounded to the nearest representable value in the floating point format. However, the C standard does not mandate this, allowing for implementations that might not be correctly rounded. If the issue lies within the sin implementation, the best course of action would be to explore using a different math library. Keep in mind that while this might resolve the discrepancy, it could potentially impact performance. Different libraries may offer varying speeds and precision, so it's essential to weigh the trade-offs before making a switch. To sum it up, the slight variations in the output of the sin function on different platforms could be attributed to the differences in the implementations of the function within the standard C library. While exploring alternative math libraries might offer a solution, it's crucial to consider the potential impact on performance. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.